We break it down. Plié, plié. And glissade, like that. Right? Then développé, 3, 4. And then 4, now I want you to bend. Yeah? Then pas de bourrée to 5th, here, croisé. And battement, 7. Arabesque, 8. Then you promenade, 1 and 2. And you're going to finish in attitude croisé, 2 here. And you're going to pas de bourrée, 2 here. Just stop here. Yeah? You're going to do, after you do the attitude here, right, pas de bourrée to the mirror, right, then I want you to do full overcross and bend back like that, okay? Then we're going to go from here. So glissade, it's a slide. So we need to see this, we need to see that, okay? So slide, slide. And if you're going to go this way, your weight is over there, opposition. You développé, I want you to bend, cambré, okay? Then pas de bourrée to here, then arm here, first, battement front, first arabesque. Now the left arm is going to turn you, left arm goes, your head's on the right, look, stop in attitude, and then you're going to plié. No, plié, arabesque. Yeah, and then pas de bourrée. Now look down, and now bend back. Yeah, like that, okay? So we have all of that going on, okay? So you're going to glissade this way, so your head's on the right. Use your opposition, okay? Smoothly, all right?